Hello students, in this section I will show you the weighing scale laboratory apparatus that we created in Dynamics Laboratory. In short, if we put a mass in here, you can directly see the weight of the mass in the display over here. This apparatus is created to represent a measurement system that we have already learned in the class. The measurement system consists of 4 elements: sensing element, signal conditioning element, signal processing element, and data presentation element. In this apparatus, we use load cell as our sensing element, HX711 as signal conditioning element, Arduino as signal processing element, and data presentation, and this display for our data presentation element. Later, this load cell will be discussed in detail later on in the video. The load cell will produce an output voltage that transfers to the signal conditioning element. Our signal conditioning element, which is HX711, HX711 perform as amplifier and also ADC. The signal from load cell will be amplified and changed to digital data before it transferred to signal processing element. HX711 is a 24-bit ADC, which has the maximum number of digital data will be 2 power by 24, which is around 16 million. So that's why if you see the display over here, the digital number will be not 0. It's around 7 or 20 or 30 something. But we can neglect it because this number is so small compared to the maximum digital number, which is 16 million. So we can neglect it and we can assume it as 0. Move to the Arduino. In signal processing element, we can process the data based on our needs. For example, we can input the sensitivity of our sensor, the sensitivity value of our sensor. So we can directly read the measurement in the display, and we don't need to process or calculate the data anymore because the data is already, because the Arduino has already processed the data based on our preference. In this section, you will try to find the system sensitivity, not only the sensor sensitivity. So that's why the sensitivity that you get will be in digital number and also the mass unit, grams. This is the load cell that we use in our laboratory apparatus. Actually, this load cell is work based on strain gauge. The strain gauge is already attached here and it's already attached here. But it's already covered by glue or any other isolator, so you cannot see clearly. But this load cell has 4 cables: red, black, white, and green. The black and the red over here is for input voltage. Meanwhile, the white and the green over here, it will be for the data or output voltage. Furthermore, this load cell is not a sensor, but it's a transducer, which means it is a combination between sensor and also signal conditioning. Can you guess which one is the signal conditioning element? For our experiment, we will start from 0 condition. This handle, we assume this handle is our 0 condition. So if you can see in the display, it will be around 0 digital number. Then we attach one mass. After you attach one mass, you can see or you can read the digital data over here. Maybe if you cannot see clearly, I will show you later in the presentation. After that, you attach another mesh. You attach another mesh and then see the digital number. Take notes as your data. This is the experiment result. On the first column is the mesh that we put in the weighing scale. I took the data start from 100 grams up until 1000 grams. On the second column is the digital number provided by Arduino. The Arduino LCD will show the digital number based on how many grams you put in your weighing scale. Meanwhile, on the third column is the voltage calculated based on full scale range of HX711 ADC. As you have already learned ADC theory in the class, if the maximum input voltage is 5 volt, then it will be quantized based on ADC bits. On this simple graph, I show you the full scale range of 24 bits HX711 ADC. The maximum voltage, which is 5 volt, it will be equal to the maximum digital data, which is 16,777,215 maximum digital number. Therefore, in the third column formula, we can divide our measurement result by 16 million something as the maximum digital data. Then we can multiply by 5 volt, which is maximum voltage. And in here, I also multiply by 1000 in order to convert it to millivolt unit. As a result, we can plot a graph with reference mesh as our x-axis and digital number or voltage as our y-axis. The blue dot over here is our data. We can perform linear regression to our data and we get the linear equation over here. The gradient of linear equation is the sensitivity value. We can define the sensitivity value in terms of digital data or in terms of millivolt. In this experiment, I write both of them. Thus, the sensitivity of the system will be 831.36 digital number per grams or 0.248 millivolt per gram. This whole process is named as static calibration. Finally, we can input the sensitivity value to the Arduino program. Therefore, as we can see here, Arduino LCD shows the measurement result directly in gram unit. To test our weighing scale, we want to try to measure the weight of this object. As a reference, I try to weight it first. We get 99.2. And then the same object we try to weight in our weighing scale. And it shows around 98. For the second object, I try to measure this object, the smaller one. As a reference, we get 49.2. This object we move to the weighing scale, and then the weighing scale shows around 48.7. Maybe it will have 1% or 2% error, but it's okay. Because this laboratory apparatus is specially designed to show you the basic element in measurement system. But in fact, some of these electrical components will be replaced by IC or integrated circuit in order to make this laboratory apparatus or this weighing scale is more compact or more lighter.